Good morning everybody. So today we start derivation of equation of a sphere passing through 4 points. Okay, so equation of sphere passing through 4 points. Passing through 4 points. Okay, so today we derive the equation of sphere which passes through the 4 points A, B, C, D. Okay, so here we consider let A of x1, y1, z1, then B of x2, y2, z2, C of x3, y3, z3, and D of x4, y4, z4 be 4 points on the sphere. So now let the required equation be. Let the required equation be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Now call this equation 1. So as this equation 1, it passes through 4 points. Okay, so it passes through the points A, B, C, D. So that means these points x1, y1, z1 satisfy equation 1. And similarly, the other 3 points, so that is x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, then x4, y4, z4, they are also going to satisfy the given equation 1 because it passes through the 4 points. Okay, so now as equation 1 passes through A, B, C, D. Okay, so therefore we get. So first what to do, we substitute this x1, y1, z1 in place of x, y, z. So you will get one equation. So that is x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square plus 2ux1 plus 2vy1 plus 2wz1 plus d is equal to 0. Now call this equation as 2. Similarly, it passes through the second point, that is x2, y2, z2. So for that we obtain x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square plus 2u x2 plus 2vy2 2w z2 plus d is equal to 0. Then similarly we obtain the third equation, that is x3 square plus y3 square plus z3 square plus 2u x3 plus 2v y3 plus 2w z3 plus d is equal to 0. And last we obtain x4 square plus y4 square plus z4 square plus 2u x4 plus 2v y4 plus 2w z4 plus d is equal to 0. So like that we obtain four equations as the given equation of a sphere passes through the 4 points. So this is equation 3 and this is equation 4 and this is equation 5. Okay, so now what we do, we eliminate. We are eliminating u, v, w and d. Eliminating u, v, w and d from equations 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we obtain a determinant of, that is x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, then x1 y1 z1 1, then x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square, x2 y2 z2 1, then x3 square plus y3 square plus z3 square, x3 y3 z3 1, x4 square plus y4 square plus z4 square, x4 y4 z4 1, is equal to 0. Okay, after eliminating u, v, w and d, we get this determinant, which is the, on expanding this one, okay, on expanding this determinant, on expanding this determinant, we get equation of a sphere passing through four points. So this is the derivation of equation of a sphere passing through 4 points. Okay, so now we solve some examples on this. Find the equation of a sphere through the origin and the points A0, 0, comma 0B0 and C 0 0 C. Also find the center and radius. Center and radius. Okay, so this is one example. Now we solve this example. Now let the equation of a sphere be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Now call this equation 1. Okay, so now as this equation of a sphere passes through these points a0 0 0b0 c0 0 c, right? So now equation 1 passes through the points a0 0 comma 0b0 0 0 c, right? So with this, substituting all those points in that equation, we get 2u into 0 plus 2v into 0 plus 2w into 0 plus d equal to 0, which implies d is equal to 0. Similarly, sphere 1 also passes through a0 0. Okay, now substituting x is equal to a, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. So then we get 24 into a 2v into a, it is 2ua plus d is equal to 0, or a square plus 2ua plus d is equal to 0. Just substitute x equal to a, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0 in the equation of the sphere. So you will get a square plus 2ua plus d equal to 0. Now from this implies a square is equal to minus 2ua, because d is equal to 0, already we found here d is equal to 0, substitute d is equal to 0, a square is minus 2ua. That means u is equal to minus a square divided by 2a. So a get cancelled, minus a by 2, minus a by 2. Okay, so similarly sphere 1. Sphere 1 passes through 0b 0. So then we get b square plus 2vb equal to 0. b square is equal to minus 2vb, or v is equal to minus b by 2. And similarly sphere 1 passes through 0 0 c. So again substitute x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to c. So we get c square plus 2wc is equal to 0, or w is equal to minus c by 2, minus c by 2. Okay, so now we got the values of u, v, w. Next is substituting all u, v, w. u, v, w, comma d in equation 1. We get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into minus a 2ux plus 2 minus b by 2 y plus 2 into minus c by 2 z plus 0 equal to 0. So which implies, on simplifying this, x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. So which is the required equation of a sphere. Okay, so with this I conclude this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.